Hi everyone, today we're going to take a look at how to access the Kidemy app. So for this we are first going to need to download this, so we're going to head to the Play Store or the App Store. Once we've searched for Kidemy, we will simply click on install next to it. So once this is installed, we would just need to then open it, so we click on open here. Then you have a pop-up at the bottom which will allow Kidemy to send you notifications. In this case we're going to allow. And then all we need to do is input our email address and password. So here we're going to put in this. Okay. And our password. So once we have signed in, the first thing that will pop up, if your school and academy have any required documents that need signing, this will be the first thing that you see. So here we have, for example, the terms and conditions. So you would carefully read through and click on sign at the bottom. So this pop-up will come up and you can just sign with your finger and click on save. So in this case they have more than one document, so we would scroll down, read through, and we can sign this one also. Perfect. So now that we have signed in, this will be a summary of all the different options that you have within the app. So here at the top with the floating bell and envelope, these will let you know if you have any pending notifications or messages. Then if you scroll down, you'll be able to view your membership. So if you have any outstanding payments, it will let you know. And then also you can view your membership fees, your classes, etc. So in this case, we're going to head to the three lines in the top left-hand corner to view the menu. And we're going to go over a few of the options that you've got here. So we've just seen the overview tab. We're going to head over to classes now. Here you will be able to view any of your current classes. You'll be able to view any information about them by just clicking on this. You can see the teacher, any description, or any content that has been uploaded. So then we're going to head back to the menu. You'll be able to view events on the next tab, then payments. Here you'll be able to see exactly what you have still outstanding. In this case, this user has various different payments outstanding, but you can also view all of your payment history below. Then we've got all the different content that you can view, videos, files, links, gallery. These are all options that you will be able to see within the app. Then you have notifications. So if we click on here, you'll be able to see anything that is regarding one of your classes or you yourself. So you'll be able to see exactly what it is, when it was sent, etc. Then we're going to head on back and over to messages. So here you'll be able to see any messages that you have. So you'll be able to view this by clicking. Here you can read through the message and you'll be able to respond here at the bottom. Then we're going to also, you have the search bar. Here you can search for any conversations that are already open. You'll be able to view them here. Then if we go back, we can view attendance also. So here you'll be able to see exactly which days and which classes that you attended. So in this case here in October, you can see that in green, that means you attended. So you attended a class on the 2nd and on the 30th. But you didn't attend a class on the 23rd. So you can also click on the arrow to view other months. Perfect. Then if you scroll on down, you can see documents. So as we've just signed those two documents when we first logged in, you can view them here. You'll be able to download and view exactly what has been signed. And then if there are any other documents, these ones may be not required, but you can view them and sign anything there also, where it says available documents. Then if we head on back to the menu, last couple of things that you have at the bottom here are to switch language in case you wanted to change the language of your app. View your profile, so if we click on here, you will be able to see all of your contact information. And if you click on the little edit button in the top right hand corner, you can also edit things like email address, telephone number within your profile. And then finally, you have the option to sign out at the very bottom. And that's it. Thank you.